This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Overwatch 2 and getting straight to the game settings. This avoids digging later. Once in the main menu, press ESC on PC or the menu/options button on console to open settings. Make sure you're in the Options tab, then highlight Controller Settings. You're doing this now because controller vibration is a controller-level feature, not a global system toggle, so accessing these specific options is essential to change how your controller reacts. Now you'll scan the controller menu to find vibration controls. Take your time to see exactly where Overwatch labels it, either vibration or rumble. Once highlighted, use the D-pad or mouse to adjust. On consoles, press left/right to cycle between on and off. On PC with a controller, the same inputs apply. You should change the toggle to off. Doing this here prevents in-game feedback during matches and can improve aim consistency and battery life. Finish by saving and verifying the change so it persists. Some platforms require you to confirm apply or save. Do that now. Once saved, test in the practice range or a quick play match to ensure the controller no longer vibrates. If vibration continues, make sure the controller's hardware vibration isn't forced on in the console or PC device settings, and power cycle the controller. If problems persist, try reconnecting or updating controller firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.